Hi, this is how you get your class roster into Google Sheets. Go to Synergy, go to Reports, go to there's a new report called Class Roster Email. It'll be a PDF file, which is kind of a pain. But what you do is you click on the Open Report interface. Go to the Sort/Output tab and change the output type to CSV. And just do print. Now what's going to happen here is it's going to take a little while. It will download a crazy looking file to your downloads folder right here, and we can get rid of that. Now if I can get rid of this, now if you go to Google Drive here, you're going to go New, File, Upload. There's probably lots of ways to do this. Select the file here, and it pops up as this blue file, but what you really want to do is you're going to say open with Google Sheets. And then once you do that, you have a nice looking filtered things. And now it's got a lot more information than you probably need, but you can delete the columns as you see fit. All right, thank you.